Hey there! Are you interested in learning more about the importance of tree care? Look no further. This video will discuss various arboricultural methods used in built environments and how proper tree maintenance can benefit our communities. Tree care involves practices such as pruning, trimming, and felling, thinning. The industry primarily focuses on road verges, greenways, backyard, and park woody vegetation. Landscape architecture and urban forestry also set high demands on professional tree care. In recent years, tree care has evolved to incorporate high safety standards, especially when felling trees in space-limited environments. Significant risks include the vicinity of power or telephone lines, insufficient protective gear, and narrow felling zones with endangered nearby buildings, parking cars, etc. While traditional tools like handsaws may suffice in singular cases, large-scale tree care usually calls for heavy machinery like cranes, bucket trucks, harvesters, and wood chippers. The required equipment and experience usually transcend private means and are often considered too costly as a permanent part of the public infrastructure. Trees in urban environments are susceptible to abiotic stress from exhaust fumes, toxic road debris, soil compaction, and drought, which makes them easy to fungal infections and various plant pests. When removing trees is impossible because of road ecology considerations, the main challenge is achieving road safety while maintaining tree health. As with all public green spaces, trees in green urban areas and their careful conservation can conflict with aggressive urban development. However, it is often understood how urban trees contribute objectively and subjectively to the livability of suburbs and cities. Tree planting programs implemented by a growing number of municipalities, local councils, and organizations mitigate the losses and, in most cases, increase the number of trees in suburbia. In conclusion, by understanding the importance of proper maintenance, we can help ensure our trees' longevity, safety, and benefits to our communities. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more informative content.